Right guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the day when I do the brakes on the Sunbeam Alpine. Beautiful car, check this out guys. Keep going, boom, just over there. Great stuff. It's got a nice rasp to it, hasn't it? That's a nice car. Right, let's get on with these brakes. Right guys, first of all, jacking under that spring. Right. Under that spring, yeah. Just make sure you're right under that spring. Bash bosh. I'm gonna have to get myself one of those little windy guns.
Yeah.
You know the electric ones are doing
Yeah,
that.
they're perfect, aren't they? I suppose you'll be doing a lot as well.
So if Snap-on want to sponsor me,
Yeah.
okay, come along. Nice. Let's have a look then. This looks alright. So the story is, guys, yeah, if you put it full lock, whoa, yeah, go on, keep going, whoa, 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 whoa. So the story is, sent the wrong pads out, again, eBay. So these come out nice and easy. These pistons were a bit seized, but I've unfreed them. So these will come off nice and easy now. Right. Let's set these pads out, guys. See, these will come out easy on this side. There's one out. I'll put that shim back in as well on that.
Yeah.
As you can see, guys, they're well down. Compare it with the new one. Make sure they're the right ones. Yes, they're the right ones. Right size. Right, we'll just push these pistons back. That's right, back on that one. Right, there's plenty of room in there for the new pads. Right guys, always copper slip these. Just put some on the back like that. And we'll put the shim on. And we'll put some on the back of the shim. Just like that. Beautiful day today to be doing this. You see, just put a little bit in there as well, cop slip on the bottoms, just like that. Right guys, we're going to put this one in. I'm getting quite good at this, you know, holding the phone in one hand and doing everything by one hand. That's fine. Right guys, we'll just pop this one in. Nice and easy does it. Right, that's one side in. Right, guys, just put the pin in now. They should just push in really easy, so if they don't go in easy, there you go, just like that. We'll put the bottom one in, just push it in easy like that. You see the hole for the little clip to go in. There we go, there's one in. There's the top one. These are so simple to do. So, you know, have a go yourself guys, if you would help if I could see. Okay guys, so we've got both clips in. New pad's done and in on this side. Right guys, what we're doing here, we just take the glaze off the disc. So a nice rough pad. Trying to get rid of the shine off the disc, just so the pads can get a good grip to it. My favourite stuff, brake cleaner. Give that a good clean. You say that guys? Just like that. Right, next step guys, we're going to bleed them. So put the thing on the nipple. Right, do you want to pump the brakes, mate?
Yep, no problem.
I'll put that in there. Make sure you've got something to catch the brake fluid in.
Ready?
Yeah, just give them a good pump, up and down, up and down, up and down, about 10 times.
Rock solid.
They're rock solid?
Yeah.
Right, just hold of that. Just take your foot off the brake.
Off.
Yeah. Okay, just push down on the brake, fast, right to the floor.
Yeah, it's to the floor.
That's right to the floor.
Yeah.
Off.
Off.
Pump it.
Pump. Solid.
Keep pumping. Pump.
Yeah. Solid.
Off.
Off.
Right, push it to the floor.
Yep.
Is that right to the floor?
All the way to the floor.
Right guys, that's it. This side's done, the driver's side, all bled. A new pad's put in. Ready to hit the open road. Let me just take you around this Alpine 1725 engine. Same engine that would be in a Humber Scepter. I know that because my father used to have one. It's in lovely condition. What white is that? Old English white?
I think it's actually known as Alpine White.
Right, okay.
That. But yeah, it's definitely on the Old English.
Yeah, the same. Definitely the same parts from the Humber Scepter. Is it 1966? 65? 66, yeah. There you go, lovely. Right guys, this is the passenger side. As you can see, they're well down. We're going to give them a squirt of brake cleaner. Should help them out. Yeah, these will coming out lovely, mate. Just use your edge of your screwdriver to pop them out. Just like there. They should just come out by fingers. There you go, they've got shims on the back. Yeah, they're well down. Probably another 1,000 miles left on them.
Yeah, is that all?
Yeah. Depending if you use the brakes. With me, they'd last me 10,000 miles. Engine brake, you see, I hardly use the brakes. This side's slightly better than the other side.
Is it?
Yeah. There's a bit more meat on these, on this side. You better compare them.
That's been binding.
Yeah. On the other side. Because the other sides were seized.
Yeah.
I bet these aren't.
No, I've never heard any squeaking from that side.
We'll soon find out when I better push that piston back. Have you got that
Yeah.
Jimmy bar? Right guys, that's that all put together now. That was a bit of a bitch. This side piston, this side here, was seized solid. So I had to take the caliper off. Do you know, nothing straightforward, but anyway, it's sorted. Let's put it all back together now. Right guys, that's the Sunbeam done. Brakes should be alright now. We're just going to go for a quick... Yeah, we're just going to go for a quick test drive. So on that note, seat above it all. There we go with the test run. Yeah, it sounds nice, doesn't it? It's got a nice rasp to it.
Yeah, it's for a 4-pot, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. That sounds fit.
Yeah. It's alright. Brakes feel alright, mate. There's nothing
Well,
more.
of course, you've got the best on it, mate.
So our next job, that's...
Yeah, it sounds nice. So here we are, just rattling through the...
Right?
Take your time.
Yeah, no drama there, mate. In the brakes world.
Nice one. Well, that's that done. Let's go for a pint.